To begin, you can download Filmora. The link will be in the description, and it's just at the top here. And we begin by just opening it up. So it'll take a second just to load, obviously depending on your internet speed or your and you can here change the aspect ratio. We're going to keep it at the standard 16:9. We can open up the full feature mode, easy mode, instant cutter, or action cam tool. Really, the easy mode just means you select the videos and there's not as many features. I've not really messed with the instant cutter or action cam tool. But let's open up the full feature mode. And here it will take us to this screen. As you can see, I've imported media before, but if you want to import media, you simply press the import button. Import media files. So this notification comes up every time you open it up. But you can import the media by import media files and just select any video to import. Just double click and then you can add to project or you can drag and drop. Really simple. You can change which track it's on. Then if we import something else, we can put it on a separate track. We can edit the image and everything just like this by dragging it around the display screen. We can import music. There's loads of music inside of Filmora already. I'm not sure if you are allowed to use these on YouTube. You'll probably have to just find that out. I don't know if they have restrictions against it. But you can drag and drop that, and then we can move to the text and credit. So you can import text, and if you didn't actually know, if you see the logo for the channel, it was actually made in Filmora. Didn't have Photoshop at the time. But you can then edit this text by clicking and just simply editing. We can also add transitions. So as you can see, transitions to the next slide. If we maybe put these together, we can add a transition fading. So as you see now, it fades to the next. Let me move forward. As you can see, and there's many more effects, and it's really simple to learn. We have filters, overlays, and elements, which they pretty much do the same thing. I'll just show you for the elements. You can drag and drop, and it will import the media in there. It just takes a second to download if you've never used them before. So once that downloads, I'll run over the rest of these basics in Filmora. So here we have this. As you can see, it's behind, so... But anyway, they're the overlays. Let me just drag it so it is visible. Okay, it doesn't. Yeah, here we go. On sale now. This is just an example I brought in, but whatever. There's loads of features. So if you were maybe doing a business sort of thing, whatever, you could have on sale now if you needed that. And then we can just hit OK when we're happy with that. We can add a split screen, which I guess it doesn't need much explanation. You can drag and drop, and then this will make this split screen, and then we drag and drop which media we want in here. So if we just want an image of the Stonehenge, we drop that there. Another image, whatever. Yeah, I did a project on the Stonehenge. But here we can then press enter, and it will take a while just to load. Not gonna wait for that to load. It may take a while. Yeah, another 20 seconds, but that would be simply, it would import, and then you have your footage there. You can hit OK when you're happy with it. Now let me explain how the exporting. So you simply press the export button. You can press export to device. You can even upload to YouTube from Filmora. The only thing is, if you haven't downloaded the full version, you're gonna have to put up with a watermark. So you just export to. You can create the video just like this. It'll take a second just to load. Yeah, as you can see, you can get a lifetime plan. Yeah, so it costs money because you get. But if you do get this plan, you have no watermark and you have free tech support. Yes, simple. That's really it, and that's really all I can go over in this video. It's a very basic. You can favorite items and go in the favorite drawer, so easy navigation. But that's really it.